Today I'm doing an experiment with two 9x12 paintings. They will both be flip cups, and I'm just going to layer the paint differently in each cup and see what happens. For my darkest color, I have this greenish blue by Amsterdam mixed with the lamp black and a couple drops of the 24 karat gold deco art. So it has this really pretty sheen to it. And then my other color will be this fluorescent pink with a few drops of the 24 karat gold also. And then my next color is the Deco Art Berry. This one is pre-mixed with also magenta by Liquitex Basics. And then my gold, the 24 karat gold. And I'm just going to layer it differently in the cups and see what happens. Okay, for this painting, I'm going to start with the fluorescent pink. Then the black, and I am letting the paint sink all the way to the bottom. And then a lot of the berry, a little bit of gold, and then back with the black. And more magenta. And that's it for that one. And this one, I'm going to start with the magenta. Then the pink, then the gold, and then the black. I'm going to do a little bit more gold in this one. There we go. Hopefully that's enough paint. I think that is. Alright, and flip that one. Flip that one. Okay, I'm going to do this one first. love this part right here. And then this, I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, I wanna do the other one now. It's definitely been flipped for a while. Two totally different paintings. I cannot wait to see what this one looks like dried. That gold is just so awesome. With the magenta, or the berry I should say, and then the fluorescent pink. All right, I love it. Oh my God, that's so cool. That is so wicked. Wow, two totally different paintings, which I kind of knew was gonna happen, so. Wow. I love them both. Let's see what they come out looking like. Fingers crossed these dry awesome.